What if the sun could power your entire adventure? No noise, no fuel, just freedom. In this video, I'll reveal the top 6 best portable solar panels for camping and off-grid power to keep you charged anywhere. Stick around, discover real value, and grab your perfect pick through links below. On number 6 is ZOUPW 200-watt mono. Sunlight doesn't just light your path, it can quietly power your entire camp. And that realization changes everything. The ZOUPW 200-watt portable solar panel answers a common struggle: unreliable charging when you're miles from outlets. Many portable solar panels promise power but fade under clouds. This one pushes back with 23.5% efficiency and steady output even in imperfect light. Setup feels effortless. Unfold, angle, connect, and watch your gear come alive. It fits naturally into conversations around top 6 best portable solar panels for camping and off-grid power because of its wide compatibility and practical design. Still, the weight reminds you it's built for stability, not ultralight travel. Compared to softer panels, it feels tougher and more dependable. And when your devices stay alive in the wild, the experience feels less like survival and more like freedom. At number 5 is SOKIOVOLA N-Type 16BB, a portable panel that actually pushes past its rated output. Sounds like marketing fiction, until the SOKIOVOLA N-Type 16BB proves it under real sun. The real struggle? Panels that slow down when clouds roll in or heat builds up. This one answers with up to 25% efficiency and N-type cells that keep energy flowing even in harsh conditions. Setup feels refreshingly simple. Unfold, angle, connect, and power starts building. Its wide compatibility removes the usual guesswork with solar generators. But there's honesty here. It's not ultra-light, and small design quirks like shorter cables can interrupt the flow. Compared to softer, lower efficiency panels, it delivers stronger and more consistent charging. For anyone exploring top 6 best portable solar panels for camping and off-grid power, this panel doesn't just collect sunlight, it transforms uncertainty into steady, usable energy when you need it most. At number 4 is Renogy 200-watt IP65. Most campers don't realize this. Your solar panel loses power every time dust, heat, or poor angles interfere. And that's where frustration begins. The Renogy 200-watt IP65 quietly changes that story. First, the problem: inconsistent charging in panels that fail when weather shifts. Now the shift: 25% efficiency with N-type cells keeps energy flowing even when conditions aren't perfect. Setup feels smooth, lightweight, magnetic fold, quick positioning with adjustable kickstands. Then comes versatility: charging phones, batteries, and power stations without juggling extra gear. But it's not flawless. Premium pricing sits slightly higher, and while IP65 handles splashes, it's not meant for full downpours. Compared to bulkier panels, it feels more travel-friendly and refined. When exploring, top 6 best portable solar panels for camping and off-grid power, this one delivers a calm, reliable flow of energy and turns unpredictable trips into something beautifully controlled. On number 3 is EcoWorthy 200-watt. Here's a reality few expect. Some budget solar panels quietly outperform their price, and the EcoWorthy 200-watt is one of those rare surprises. The real struggle? Paying more and still getting inconsistent power in changing sunlight. This panel shifts that frustration. With around 23% efficiency and PERC technology, it captures more energy even when conditions aren't ideal. Setup feels quick. Unfold, adjust the kickstands, let it start working within seconds. Compatibility is another relief. Multiple connectors remove the usual guesswork with power stations, but it's not flawless. Slightly heavier, and the build leans more practical than premium. Compared to higher-end panels, it may lack refinement, yet it delivers strong, everyday performance. For those exploring, Top 6 Best Portable Solar Panels for Camping and Off-Grid Power. This panel turns limited sunlight into something reliable, and that changes how far you're willing to go. At number 2 is MHPOWO SIP67. Most campers don't expect this. A panel can look powerful on paper, yet fail when the weather turns harsh, and that's where frustration begins. The MHPOWO SIP67 steps in with a different attitude. First, the problem: unstable charging, sudden rain, and panels that feel fragile outdoors. Now the shift. With up to 23.5% efficiency and a rugged IP67 waterproof build, it keeps producing energy even in unpredictable conditions. Setup feels fast. Unfold, adjust kickstands, plug and go. Its higher 40-volt output delivers strong charging. But here's the catch. Not every power station supports that voltage, so compatibility needs attention. Compared to lighter panels, it feels more heavy-duty and weather-ready. For those exploring top 6 best portable solar panels for camping and off-grid power, this one doesn't just chase sunlight. It holds on to it when conditions try to take it away. Now moving to the last one is Renogy 100 watt. A quiet truth most campers learn too late. Smaller panels often fail when you need them most. The Renogy 100 watt rewrites that expectation with surprising consistency. First, the struggle. Limited space, slow charging, and panels that underperform in shifting light. Now the shift. With up to 23.5% efficiency and reliable grade A cells, it delivers steady energy even when conditions aren't perfect. Setup feels instant. Unfold, position, plug in. Power begins building without confusion. Its lightweight, foldable design makes it easy to carry anywhere, solving portability concerns for solo travelers and minimal setups. But let's be real. It won't match the output of larger 200-watt panels, especially for heavy loads. Compared to bulkier options, though, it offers simplicity and freedom. When exploring, top 6 best portable solar panels for camping and off-grid power. This one feels like carrying just enough energy to keep your journey alive. Winner? It's clearly the ZOUPW 200-watt Mono. And here's why. It strikes the perfect balance between real-world power, durability, and value. With around 23.5% efficiency and strong low-light performance, it keeps charging when others slow down. Unlike lighter panels, its rugged build handles tough outdoor use. It's not the lightest, but that stability matters in windy camps. Compared to pricier Renogy models, it delivers similar output without the extra cost. If you want reliable off-grid energy without overspending, this one simply makes sense. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best portable solar panels for camping and off-grid power. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.